If you spend any time trading, earning interest, or moving digital assets out of a centralized exchange and into a self-managed wallet this year, standard tax programs are going to completely break down. When you stick to a walled garden app, calculating your numbers feels easy. But the second you transfer those funds across networks, picking the wrong tax platform can cost you thousands in overpaid gains or flag your account for a government audit. This flowchart illustrates what happens next. The software loses track of where your assets originally came from. It assumes every new deposit is pure income, and every outgoing transfer is a sale, automatically logging it as a taxable event. You end up staring at massive phantom profits. You receive tax bills on money you never actually made. To figure out how to avoid this, we imported over 1,200 different transactions across multiple digital networks into two of the biggest tax tools, CoinLedger and Koinly. We wanted to see which one processes the math automatically without forcing you to edit spreadsheets by hand. Dodging a weekend-ruining tax audit depends entirely on matching your software to where your assets actually live, in a centralized exchange or out in the decentralized wild. Setting up the baseline data is straightforward. We started by connecting standard exchange accounts like Coinbase and Kraken. CoinLedger makes this incredibly clean. It pulled in our entire standard transaction history in under 45 seconds. The layout is simple, and the process feels effortless. That simplicity is perfect if you only buy and hold on major platforms, but a strict linear data structure falls apart the minute you introduce a complex trading history. A frictionless, beautiful user interface is financially useless if it cannot correctly interpret your specific off-exchange transfers. Things get complicated when we shift into the chaotic, multi-layered environment of decentralized finance. We imported our public digital wallet addresses and shared financial pool activity directly into Koinly. When depositing funds into a shared pool, Koinly's background engine recognized we were holding a deposit token, not selling the original asset. Logging this as an asset shift meant no taxable event occurred, preventing an automatic error and saving us $1,400 in taxes. CoinLedger initially read that exact same action as a direct sale. It created a massive taxable event out of thin air that would require manual tagging to fix. If you are an active Web3 user, prioritizing a complex backend engine over a simple interface is the only practical way to prevent devastating automatic tax errors. Every single crypto tax software will give you errors. The most common hurdle you will face is a bright red warning label indicating a missing original cost. The system sees you moving a token, but because it has no record of what you originally paid for it, it sets your cost to zero. You get taxed on the entire value of the asset. CoinLedger does a great job of highlighting the exact date and token of the gap, but you still have to dig through your records to find the missing transaction and type in the purchase price yourself. Koinly handles this with an automatic repair tool. It actively searches back through your connected public blockchain records to find the original secondary network bridge. During our test, that automated search linked the original purchase price with a single button click, resolving a $300 cost gap in about 5 seconds. CoinLedger gives you manual control, but it requires hours of tedious spreadsheet research. Koinly saves you that time, though you have to trust its algorithmic forensics to get the math right. Both programs let you create accounts, sync your wallets, and view estimated gains for free. The moment you need to download official tax documents, you have to pay. Both platforms start around $49 for under 100 transactions and scale up as your volume grows. This chart illustrates tax loss harvesting. It is the legal strategy of selling falling assets at a loss to explicitly offset your capital gains and shrink your total tax bill. Koinly includes an advanced tool for this reporting right on its free tier. CoinLedger restricts that strategy reporting to their premium paid upgrades. Koinly provides significantly higher strategic financial value before forcing you to pay a single dollar. Governments require standardized forms, so bridging the gap between digital asset tracking and traditional filing requirements is vital. CoinLedger excels at taking basic exchange data and generating clean, ready-to-file documents that plug directly into mainstream tax software like TurboTax. Koinly gives you those same standard US output files, but it also supports country-specific tax rules for over 100 different locations. If you file internationally or hold complex requirements, that local tax flexibility is mandatory. For centralized apps with zero technical headaches, CoinLedger sits high on simplicity and is the fantastic, fast choice. But if you move funds across chains, Koinly sits high on automation and is the superior choice to prevent false taxable events. I have secured a 15% discount code for both platforms in the description below. Link your wallets and compare the free estimates on both screens before you pay anything. If this walkthrough helped you make sense of your digital asset taxes, please hit the like button, subscribe for more straightforward financial guides, and leave a comment below if you run into any specific transaction errors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next guide.